this is the most important massage technique to learn because it's the easiest way to help someone relax. So this is how to massage lower back. One of the best idea, and it is relax muscular pain in this way. In this way, this is again. It's a beautiful, amazing massage lower back technique. This is plantar fasciitis relief. So how to plantar fasciitis relief pain? Through the spoon. In the back of the spoon, you can massage in this way. This is coconut oil. Use this coconut oil. Few drops of coconut oil and massage is easily for you. This is one of the best tricks for the massage of plantar relief through this spoon. So try this amazing hack. This is one of the best pain reliever. I hope you like my today video. This is your thumb and start from it, press it and then apply in this way. Yes, in this way. So hurry up. Try this remedy. This is one of the best remedy for your massage relief. Yes, in this way. Through your thumb and then massage it well. Press it again and again. Amazing remedy. If you have a pain in this side, so please try it. One of the best way to relieve pain. If you are newly in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and please share my video. I am very thankful to you that you are watching my video. So don't skip the video till the end. I am very thankful to you that you are watching. You are the best that you are watching my video.